Hello again. Today I have a look at, and swear a lot at, Cliffhanger for the ZX Spectrum. Cliffhanger was written by James Day and released by New Generation Software in 1986. It was priced originally at £7.95 and later on budget for £4.95. Some of New Generation's previous titles were Trashman, Travel with Trashman, and 3D Monster Maze for the ZX81 and Spectrum. Yep, I used to love playing this game at my cousin's. Up, right, down, left, and fire. I'm probably absolutely no good. I don't think I was that good at it back then, but back then I found it hilarious to watch. It was just like a cartoon. I'm aware there's a C64 version, but I'm not sure what it's like. Right, here we go. The idea is to ensnare a bandit. You gotta kill him somehow. But sometimes there can be some quite funny outcomes. Obviously, the guys who made this have taken heavy inspiration from Wile E. Coyote. Come on. It's all about your timing. Get in. Yeah. It can be quite fiddly as well when you're going left to right trying to aim for the object. It bollocks. Yay! Oh fuck. Swatnacker. This time. Yay! Great railway journeys, right. Hop in here. I remember this screen. And wait for the guy on the radar. There we are. When he gets near the middle, you miss. Twat. Right, try again. Oh yeah. Ball ache. You have to have a lot of patience for this game. It is a lovely little game. I like the graphics. I've often said about the Spectrum that graphics should usually always be in monochrome if you can. You know, choose two colours wisely, and I think that for this they set the theme nicely. Yes. You know, rather than trying to go all out with the colour, because you see the Spectrum's limited to 2 colours per 8x8 character cell, and you don't have any hardware sprites, so the software sprites have to adhere to the character cell colour limitations. There's no layer above that. You know, you can't outlayer it, you can't just, yeah, you will colour clash. I hate this level. Fucking twat. Let him in, Nora. Oh, this is different. Meh. So I'd be interested to see the 64 version. I haven't honestly seen it yet, although I can imagine that, yes, it will probably be using the standard bitmap mode, which is blockier than this. Ah, get screwed. too early. Yeah. Come on, little bandit. Oh, I've missed him again, look. Screw you. Oh, circus act. I wonder what this does. Oh, fuck off. Idiot. No, I've knackered it up again. Yeah, I am crap at this game. I do enjoy it though. Oh yeah, fucking... Oh, my cousin, I used to play this game with. He was better than I was on this. I'd like to see him play it nowadays. Yo, twat. Come on. No. I'll squash your toes, you fucking bandit. Oh. Knackers. Shite. Fuck off. Twat. Now. Yes. This time, come on. Shit. Yep. Piss. Fuck you, you twat. Yes. Oh, no, bollocks. Stupid fingers. That's knackered it enough. Do you know, I think I'm getting too old for this shit. I mean, the action times are shocking. Yeah. Missed him again, look. Fuck you. Oh, shite. Right. Trick is you to move out of the way as soon as you've launched it, cause... Here we go. Yeah. No, you bloody twonk. What's this one do? Nice. Right. Now. bastard. Have that. Oh yeah, fucking twit. Yeah. Try again. Yes. Oh, I hate this one. I should never just do it. Whoa! What the fuck? The Seesaw's Revenge. Nah, that's not going to be easy to do. When the fuck do I set this off? Now? Oh! Get in! He's dead. Ah, yeah, I know what to do. To wait and stamp like fuck. Twat. The trajectory. What's this switch do? Oh no, knackers, I've missed it. The signal box. Alright. Come on, twat. Ah. Oh, I don't care about that switch. Yeah, maybe I should have pulled it. Hey dear. Get in. You're fucking dead. What the ass? Ah, fuck you. It is fiddly. It's a line you set up with a 2D object. Yeah, that's going. Have that. And that. Oh, you twat. There. Oh. Right. Okay. Oh, yeah. Bloody stupid idiot. Well, that's that. I really like this game. Although the controls can be fidgety and the gameplay somewhat frustrating, it's a really funny game due to the Wile E. Coyote style premise and comedy timing. If you use emulators, download it from the World of Spectrum website. My next video will be the C64 version of this game. I will also compare each screen afterwards to see the graphical differences. Thank you for watching. Take care till next time. Bye bye.